Do you feel nervous while speaking? If you also not able to speaking in English, okay, this video is for you. So I am telling you today introduction. My name is Ronak. I am from Bihar. Welcome back to English Ronak YouTube channel. So this is my second video of my English speaking journey. Okay, you see, too much heat pressure. It means sun. The sun is visible on my directly on my face. That's why I'm not watching. I think my eye was not watching on you. Okay, let's start. Let's start. Let me ask you a question, guys. If you are learning, why are you learning? Is there any reason? I I also have one question. If you are watching this video, I think you are improving. You are surely improving. You will surely improve just after. And well, and try to watch my video every day so that I can improve my English, and also with you, and I also can improve with you my English. So if you don't want to speak, if you are unable to speak, then watch my video every day. Day one, this is, I already upload my video day one, and this is my day two. And you think I'm speaking English, and you, when will you speak? You, my, I already know. My brother was telling me, you have, why don't you learning English? Why are you not learning English? I was not telling them I'm unable to speak, because then I tried to speak. Okay, I, first of all, I apologize to you, because I'm unable to make video yesterday. I was unable to make video yesterday because I have some problem. That's why. Okay, now this is my second video, and you are, if you are watching this video, you will surely improve. And tell me, guys, where are you from? First comment me where are you from and why are you learning English, and everything. If I tell you, so I'm no, you are watching my background, and there's a bricks on my background. Okay, I was making video every day near Ganga river. Okay, when I, today I'm telling you one thing. When I goes near Ganga river, at that time I didn't see my phone, that my phone percentage 2% charge, my phone, and I went near Ganga river. I saw when I start recording video, then 2% charge, they not allowed me to record video. Okay, then and walking and running, then I come at my room and charge my phone, then I'm uploading, then I'm making video. So of you, if you're also learning English, then comment me why are you learning. And again I'm asking you one question, guys, and which class do you study? Mm, are you sixth class, are you seventh class, and which class, and what is your name? And tell me. So how we can improve English? I'm telling you in day two. I thought one thing, whatever I am doing, it means I wake up 6 o'clock in the morning. I wake up and I add food and I do these things and I'm doing these things and I wash my clothes and I wash our body. It means I go to bathroom, I cook food. In this, I think every day, if I speak, okay, then these things will surely help me to speak in English, because some people are saying me, how we thinking, how do we create thinking in my mind? Okay, how do we create thinking in my mind in speaking English? Do you know, when we, our I talk about native language, we don't need to learn native language, because since childhood my mother was telling me these things and whatever, everything. Okay, my mother, father was telling me, I'm listening. They they were telling me, I was listening. I was not speaking since 1 month, 2 month, and we started speaking same like you. I'm also same like you. Don't feel that he's just speaking fast in English. No, I'm not speaking in fast English. Though I was telling you, when our mother was telling me, then we started speaking after 2 months, 3 months, 6 months, and little bit started. That is the same thing in English. We have to start little bit. What we learn today, what I learn. Okay, we have to repeat the sentences, so we will surely improve. And again, other question, listening is very important, I think. And also, tell me, guys, what kinds of things, so that I can speak, what kinds of things, so that if you know English, if you are watching this video, if you know English, then also tell me guys, how do you learn English, and how can I learn English? Also support me guys. I will surely improve one day. This is my day 2 video, and I upload one video, and that time I was nervous in speaking. I don't know why. I think everybody, if is starting speaking English, if they started speaking English, then I think they will surely not able to speak too much in English, because when I started watching on YouTube, I was telling you, when I started watching on YouTube, they are it means there are 10 videos, 30 videos they are uploading. It means when I was there, day one video, that time they are also nervous there. Surely you already can see everyone video. Okay, they uploaded on YouTube. What you will see, there, try to reach their day one video. You will see day one video, he was nervous. Everybody is nervous while speaking, because my tongue is not able to speak too much. Then I thought I should, because I think I'm let me ask you one thing. If you also have one friend or anyone, so that he's also connecting with you, so that he's speaking, and it means I'm telling you that, do you have any friend who knows English? Okay, then try to ask with them. If you don't have any friend, then try to comment me, then try to tell me something, so that I can, so that I will surely reply you. And also tell me how I can improve my English better. So I think one day I will surely become fluent. I want to become fluent in English, good English speaker, because when my father will see my brother, my son is speaking English, my sister, my mother will see my son is speaking English, they will surely, it means what I can say, I don't have any word to tell them what they will see me when they know my son is no English. I don't know. I want to feel the same thing. If you also want to feel that things, guys, then surely start learning English, and then surely start speaking English. I think grammar is not help me. That it means grammar does not help us while speaking. They confused me again and again. If you don't know grammar, leave it, guys. Leave it and start speaking. I'm telling you, start speaking like me. And this is my, I think I what I can tell you. And if you are watching this video, I think you are improving. Again and again I will tell you, if you are watching this video, you are improving on yourself. Then I think I will tell you, surely watching my video, you will surely improve. You think I'm also nervous speaking now, you will surely face some problem, but still you will speak. Try to speak what I'm speaking. Try to tell what I'm telling you. Repeat this sentence, you will surely learn, and we will surely learn English with you. Okay, support me guys, and we will meet you on next video. Don't try to take more tension. We will meet you on next video. Jai Hind.